Rolling, baby. Here we are. I'm gonna show you the final product of this massive wall we did in under 4 weeks, by the way. Killed it. The whole crew killed it. So take a peek-see here. Take your little peek-see. We did some grade work behind it. Pulled the grade down and threw some leaves in there to make it look natural again. We got some plants coming in. Leanne's working on a design on that. I'm not sure what we're putting up there. Maybe some hostas, something like that. Something low maintenance to where it's gonna be up out of the way. It's gonna be hard to get to do the maintenance on them. And we'll do the same thing around the back. So walk with me. You can take a look at it. Very big wall. But I'm impressed in the time frame that we got it done. I think it was a little under 4 weeks, right at 4 weeks. Had a lot of hands out here to help on it, take part in it. See, now this probably wasn't here last time you was here, but we got the ball goal back up in the corner so he can play ball goal with his grandson. Like I said too, plants all, along the top. Give it a little life, make it look good. I would dunk that for you, but I can't jump that high. I know I look tall, but I can't do it. Come on around to the back here. You remember this little short wall here we started with? I don't know if you'll walk down here with me. Woo, it's slick. Slick. This was the first one we done. It turned out real nice. We got all this grade work done. If you might remember from some of the earlier videos, there was a lot of dirt piled out here. We graded all this. Woody come down here with the skid steer and graded all this out for us. And made it look nice again, back to the way it was. And here's the second one, second wall we did to it. We did that top one up there last. I can't remember the exact measurements on this one. I believe 80, 90 foot long. This one took a little time. We had a lot of step downs in it, step ups in it, going all the way around. And we're gonna do the same thing back here, give him some landscape, some flowers or stuff like that. Leanne will design that to give life to the pool area here and make that look good. But yeah, proud of this job, man. We killed it, the whole crew killed it. Everybody out here, man. And see the final product, man.
What we're doing here today is Klein has an existing water feature waterfall up here that he already had built, which steps down over top of the existing retainer wall, and also pond he had dug previously. We were connecting the pond with the upper waterfall by dropping down with this extra waterfall feature and step down with flagstone and fieldstone to create the same effect of scoring. And then we're going to wrap the edge of the pond with the fieldstone as you see we started. And then we're going to create a step down into the pond as the client wants. And then of course dress it all up. We're going to build up the sides a little bit here on the front of this waterfall to contain the water and make sure it flows nicely forward to create the sound and effect that the client wants. Finding light to the path and I'll be right. All right, so we're back out here.
Put some topsoil in here.
That's all we got, folks. Can't get out.
Rolling. Dave. Yeah. Oh. Some play the violin. I play the skid.
Held in your arms, the hole in my head.
Oh, my kind of took our time. And the projector screen coming down. We're about halfway to the edge of that flower bed up there. Video is brought to you by Quaker.
I am
AM. Good AM.
Look at him go! Y'all, this is Tyler.
And
Look at
this
him.
is my buddy Rake.
Some cleanup the gravel that's right here, and it was along the edges. Hi, wheelbarrow! But along the driveway, just doing a quick little cleanup, you know, that last 10%. And this is a gorgeous wall. But there were some sticks and debris down here that was in the Litten roses. This drain was clogged up, so we just came and just cleaned it out real quick. Man, look at that wall. Nice and straight. It's gorgeous! From like the corner of the wall and all this right here, we're just gonna clean it up and dispose of it. Well, we'll see you.
Hey y'all, it's Woody. We're at day one. There's
Hello. Good morning.
Jill and Leanne. Here we're taking out all this monkey grass and the ivy in the back. There's a brick border through here that we're going to pull up, and all this will wind up being sod in the backyard. We're cleaning all these leaves, this ivy. I have flagstone pathway put in through here. We've graded and smoothed this out, took out all her bricks that were lined down through here and made her a brick barrier around her AC unit. And then we've laid our flagstone starting at the end of the patio all the way to the arbor. See you then. Woody, day one, we're a bunch of cleanup and building up an area. So I'll show you guys. So right through here and right here, we're remulching his beds, cleaning it up so his plants and shrubs stick out. This area here and here, we're removing all these plants except for these back. Grade this with the dingo, build this area up right here where it's an even plane. We're going to remulch this area as well as through here. That we're going to take the blower and blow all these leaves down, and we're going to pine straw all the way till a little past the tip of my finger where those rocks. We are seeds of change and we can get this done, so I'll keep you guys posted. We've graded this down all the way from there to here, so that existing water fountain that was there is now gone. Oh, Jesse.
Taking over Jill's crew.
We got mulch those beds, mulch through here. Still have this strip of sod left to lay. We ran out. We laid this sod. We mulched this bed through here. We mulched through here. Mulched this area back here where my finger's at. Here, through here, to here. Because this area right here, we're going to lay sod. Here's what we have left. Pine straw this hill. Pine straw this hill. Till next time, or next video. See y'all.